Play e5. Chat, stop being weird. Hot tip chess room when? I don't know. Botez and Anna are crying. Well, I mean, I have to say, like, I have not been watching much Twitch lately. Let's do tricks with Queen H4. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, yeah. I mean, like, I can take the pawn or take the... I think I'm going to take the pawn with the classic check and hit the knight. Not Amaranth. Okay, you guys. Anyway. Go bishop e6 and castles here. I need a dumb nick for the 11 months. Just castle here. Why did I take with the b pawn? Because I wanted to open up the diagonal for my bishop. That was the reason. Both were playable though. Let's go here. Maybe knight d5. I met Alireza in person. Yeah, I think like Alireza, I haven't really spoken to him much. I played him with some blitz games, but I haven't spoken to him much. I mean, he seems reasonable enough. I don't, you know, I think for him though, if he's trying to get to the next level, he needs to improve his nerves. His nerves, I think, have really let him down in the recent tournaments he's played in. And I say, I guess I take and go here. I have two wooden ops, so I should be good. Okay, I can take or I can, yeah, I can take. I want to keep the ops alive. Take, let's go rook d8 next move. Do I think Anon prefers over the board? Oh, absolutely, without a doubt. He totally prefers over the board. Go here and target the knight. So like Tai T, I don't know what Tai T means exactly. Is Shankly stronger than Georg Meyer? Yeah, absolutely. Go here. We should just be winning pretty soon. Guess we'll go here, stop the pawn from pushing. I saw Vichy is in Croatia. Yeah, he's playing the Grand Chess Tour there. Okay, we get the dub. Let's keep going. We're over